certainly going to put the action sa boys naman. Ito mga Bulacan, Santa Maria, Bulacan, Zone 3 in their right jerseys. Kalaban mga Quezon City naman. So far, Zone 3 sila naman ito is 2-0 sa Rolas River. Mananalo, quarterfinals, diretso, kahit naman mangyari.
Oh, nice. Gusto ko pa rin pag-usapan ng bahagi at surgery. Is yung the intricacies in the